Hi there, Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, here to bring you another date and time function today. So time, we put in equals time, left parentheses, it's going to prompt us for three different inputs. First off is hour, so 0 to 23, put in 08, and then minute, and then second. The minute and seconds are 0 to 59, and we see I get 8:08 a.m. One thing to consider is that if you put in too many minutes, it will actually roll this over. So 70 minutes here will lead to 9:10 a.m. along with the 8th hour. And the same goes for second. If I make this 80 seconds, I have 9:11 a.m. Scrolling on down here, let's explain clock time in Excel speak, because if I take this number and I put it into a general number format, I get 0.38287037. That's a little bit confusing. Let's talk about that. So the clock at midnight starts at 0 in Excel. And 1 a.m. is 0.04 and 7 p.m. is 0.79. And it is constantly adding these decimals of a number. When it approaches 1, and when it actually hits 1, it rolls back over to 0 and the process starts over again. Moving on over here, I have an example here, which isn't really the time of day, but we'll see that in a second. So I have marathon times, and I got this data unstructured as hour, minute, and second, and I'm going to put all these together. I'm going to click here, I'm going to reference the cell, hold control, minute and second, right parenthesis, press enter, and I get 2:37 a.m. They finished the marathon at 2 in the morning. Yay! Well, not quite. Let's change our custom number format to a different format. Go to time and select this one, the 37, 30, 55. This is actually like the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. And the hours don't just roll over into another day. So press OK, and we see that Susan, with a time of 2 hours, 37 minutes, and 57 seconds, in fact finished in 2 hours, 37 minutes, and 57 seconds. I don't know what time of day she finished. So from here, instead of typing in this function again and again for all my data, I can just hold this green square here, drag all the way down, and boom, there we go. We have the times for everyone who ran this marathon. A great way to sort through this is go up to conditional formatting with all your data selected, go to top bottom rules, bottom 10 items, because remember, in the running world, a lower time is actually better. And we want to fill it with green text because a low time is actually a good thing. And we can see very quickly that Teklu, Gianni, and Temesgen were the top 5 people here. And I can quickly look at my data and see that that's in there. And with the conditional formatting, I can quickly look at my data and see who's fastest, who's slowest, and who's whatever. I'm Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and now you have an idea of how to use the time function in your spreadsheets. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll get back to you. If you like this video, subscribe for other educational content. We release videos daily.